In this video, I'll show you how to install a 100% completed save file for Resident Evil 3 to unlock all progress, weapons, and extras instantly. Check my video description for this 100% save file. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Now navigate to this PC C drive, Users, Public Documents, Steam, Text. Drag and drop this 952060 to desktop and drag and drop this 100% folder inside here. We have successfully installed the 100% save file. Now you can launch the game. So this 100% save file is Russian language. So go to options, that option. Once you enter the menu, go to the fifth option in settings. On right side, you need to change this to EN, as you can see, voice, and set this port to EN. And as you can see, the once you press the escape key, the language will be changed. Go to story, select continue option. Once you are in game, press the escape key and go to records. You can able to see number unlocked 58 total. Everything is unlocked. And that's how you can install the 100% save for Resident Evil 3. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.